When a customer disagrees with a charge on their credit card statement and is not able to resolve the issue with the merchant directly, they can call their bank and file a chargeback to try getting the charge reversed. Once the request is initiated, the cardholder's bank launches an investigation and asks the cardholder to provide the details and supporting documentation about the transaction in question. If the bank finds substantial evidence that the cardholder did not authorize the transaction, the bank proceeds to open a chargeback case. After the dispute case is officially open, the money for the amount of a disputed transaction is automatically withdrawn from the merchant's account and reverted to the card used to pay for the purchase. The chargeback case is then sent to the payment processor so they can notify the merchant. Once the merchant is notified, they have a limited time to respond and provide supporting documentation. Now it's the merchant's turn to present strong supporting documentation to prove that the transaction was, in fact, authorized. The cardholder's bank reviews the documentation and either sides with the merchant and orders to put the money back in the merchant's account, or finds it insufficient and declines the request.